Meme stocks are back, guys. It's been a crazy day for meme stocks, specifically AMC and GME. So let's check out what's going on with AMC. AMC went up 20% today. Now, if you look at the stock, it was nuts. The day started out like pretty normal, like any AMC day, for the past few weeks. It went flat and it actually went red for a bit, trading at 36. But then something happened. It just started to squeeze up and up and up. So as it go up, more shorts started to close their shorts, and then it just squeezed the stocks even higher. So it went from as low as 36 to all the way up to 48 within the span of an hour. So that's the crazy part about this. So AMC going nuts. It's actually followed by GME, which is this similar pattern. So I don't know what happened yesterday, but just during the midday, like the stock just started to squeeze up. So I think it actually started with GME and then AMC followed. So the meme stocks are back on the menu. There's going to be more squeezes because if you look at the daily charts of these stocks, this is a giant invalidation signal here. It actually traded the stock above the EMA. So this is a giant green candle. So what I suspect is that this is probably going to squeeze higher, and it might even hit its all-time high of 300s again for GME. And then similar story for AMC. So since its all-time high for AMC, the stock has been trading sideways for a long time. But then what's happening since the squeeze yesterday, if you look at the charts, it actually broke its downtrend and it's actually now started to trending back up. So what I'm seeing here is very, very bullish signal. So if you ever want to sell options on AMC, I recommend somewhere in this $36 range for a good support, because that's the EMA, maybe a little bit lower. But anything like around this range is a good price to sell your options on if you want to make some nice premium. I suspect that the premium is going to be huge for this stock. So yeah, let's look at AMC. Let's say we want to sell a put on AMC. Now let's go to option. We want to sell a put. So I started doing like 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out to see how much premium we can pocket. So AMC is at 45 right now. So if I want to sell a 36, which is right around the support here. So this goes for $293 right now. So you can sell this for 1 week out and you can get $293. Sorry, 2 weeks out. So let's see what happened with 1 week out. 1 week out, $36. So you still get $195 on it. So I think this is a very, very bullish charts for AMC right now. And this is just my opinion. Please don't take it as a financial advice. I think it's a good time to sell puts on it. So I might actually open a put for $36 for $195 in premium. So that's the story of AMC. Now, another stock that's been gaining a lot of momentum is SPRT. I actually sold the puts on it, SPRT, for $9 puts for $150 in premium. The premium on this is just insane. So if you look at SPRT and you go to options, so if you want to sell puts, so the only option available is September 17 for the latest. And if you want to do a $9 puts, it was going for $150 yesterday. And now, like with the stock going way back up, I suspect the value of this is going to plummet when the market opens in a few minutes. So yeah, right now it's actually up 17% pre-market. So what's the story of this one? Well, the story is that the Reddit folks found that this stock is has a very high short interest. That means institution or like other short like companies with short interest, they want to short this stock, thinking that this business is going nowhere. So what's going to happen is that there's a catalyst coming in like 2 weeks, is that this company is going to merge with another company to become primarily a blockchain support company. So this was a traditional support company for big companies, but now they want to pivot into blockchain based support. So yes, I know this is like a meme on top of a meme, And if you look at the stock, it's just been trending up and up. So it seems like, or feels like this is another squeeze similar to AMC and GME. But what I'm predicting is that while this stock's like, it's looking good, I think it's going to end up in the same pattern as any of these other squeeze stocks, is that it's going to go up and then it just eventually sell off and go back down to the $2. So I don't plan on holding this option for too long. I'm probably going to close this put by open, just take my money and run. I don't think this is going to go like up for too long. The squeeze is probably will happen, but you don't know when it will dump. So if it dumps, you're going to be in trouble. So that's the plan right now. Definitely check it out. Read about the SPRT. I think it is a stock to watch. So yeah, this is it for the pre-market video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I have follow me on my spreadsheet. All of my trades are open and live. And yeah, check out TradeIV.com if you're interested in this app that I'm using. So yeah, see you guys next time, and hope you subscribe.